Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 648 error device enumeration error on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search and type cmd and click open the command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, click on yes. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here, after blinking cursor, execute these three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. After successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. Once successfully execution of sfc scan now command, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose device manager. In device manager Windows, find out any faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against driver. In my case, no any such driver found. If any found, simply expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. On the next page, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty drivers, and you may apply this process for all your device drivers one by one and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. In control panel, from the left side, from the available menu, choose power options. Here from the left side, choose what the power button do. Thereafter, click on the link change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it and uncheck the option under shutdown settings, turn on fast startup, disable fast startup and click on save changes and check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Restore your system. Open control panel in your system again. Here click on recovery. Here click on the link open system restore. Restore system files and settings page will open. Here click on next. On the next page, restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose a system restore point. You may click on show more restore point, make the check against these options, and some other restore points also available. So you may choose Windows Update, otherwise choose automatic restore point and click on next, and finally confirm your restore point. Your computer will be back to the previous state whether your computer was in good condition. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process.